Hello my dear crafty friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create these gorgeous tricolor badges using paper quilling decoration. And I have added this pin so that you can easily wear it. I have created this in two different shades, orange and green. I decorated the edge using punched border. So let's get started. For this we need some 3mm strips, any punched border, scissor, quilling tool, liquid glue, orange, white and green color cardstock, and I am using this scoring board. You can also use ball tool. So first I am taking this green color A4 size cardstock. This is having 160 GSM thickness, and now using my border punch, first I am creating a border. Like this. Now using my ruler, I am just making markings. So I am marking on 5 centimeters from bottom. Just make a line and cut this. Now I am taking my Martha Stewart scoring board and I am scoring on each 1/4 inches interval. So I am just aligning the center part of this upper scallop and creating a score line. If you don't have scoreboard, you don't need to worry. You can just use your ruler and ball tool and score on equal interval. So this is done. Now just fold this strip in zigzag manner. So you will get this beautiful fan shape. Now I have created one more fan of the same size. Now to complete this design, I am just joining both the parts like this. Now I am joining from other side. And you will get this beautiful fan shape. Now I am taking this 1-inch paper circle and I will join this on top of our fan to make a paper rosette. So the beautiful paper fan or paper rosette is ready. Now I am taking this small paper doily and decorating the front part, adding little glue and just connecting it. like this. So base is ready. Now to decorate this, I am making some quilling flowers. So my first flower is a Malaysian flower. For this I am taking one strip of orange and half strip of yellow color and just making a petal. In the same way we need total 7 petals, so joining all 7 petals together, and for the center I am using half cut pearl. Flower is ready. Now for the next flower I am taking 1.5 strip of purple and making one tight teardrop shape. Now joining 5 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. So this is done. Now I will show you how to create leaf. For this I am taking one strip of light green color and half strip of dark green color and making a leaf shape. Now I am joining 3 leaves together. And this is done. Also I have created some scrolls using white and dark green strips. So all the shapes are ready. Now I am taking 3 strips of paper, orange, white and green. The green measures 24 by 2 centimeters, white measures 22 by 1.5 centimeters and orange measures 20 by 1 centimeters. So first I am just folding all the strips in the center and cutting a V shape in the bottom to create a bow. Now I am joining all 3 strips one by one on the back side of the rosette. Now I'm connecting this safety pin. For this I'm just taking one small piece of green color, adding little glue, pass through the pin and just connect like this. So this is done. Now I will start decorating it using my quilling designs. So this is dried and this is ready to use. Isn't it looking pretty? In the same way I have created one more in orange color and just added different shades of flowers. And also I have used different border this time. So you can also create in white color or blue color. It's all up to you. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. And I am waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.